Most people are using AI to write emails. A small group is using it to build income streams. Same tools, completely different results. Today, I'm showing you the 5 AI automation hacks actually moving the needle in 2026. Not the hype, the real workflows. Stay until the end. Hack number 5 is the one most people completely miss. Here's what's actually happening right now. AI got good fast. Most people responded by doing the same things they were already doing, just a little faster. But a smaller group asked a different question. Not, how do I save time? But how do I make money while I'm not working? That shift is everything. Here's how they're doing it. Hack 1. An AI tool monitors Reddit, Google Trends, and news headlines in a specific niche. When something spikes, the system flags it, drafts a short article or video script, and queues it for publishing. One person ran this in the personal finance niche for 90 days, 4 to 6 pieces per week. By month 3, $800 to $1,200 a month in ad and affiliate revenue. Hands off, they weren't creating the best content. They were creating fast, relevant content. AI made that scalable. Hack 2. Print on demand has no inventory, no upfront cost. The old problem was design volume. You needed hundreds of products to compete. Most people quit. AI changed the math. Tools like Midjourney can generate original designs in seconds. People are now pairing that with keyword research on Etsy and Amazon, niche humor, local pride, specific hobbies, and auto-generating design variations around trending terms. One creator went from 40 listings to over 800 in 3 months. Monthly revenue crossed $4,000. Design and upload time, under 2 hours a week. Hack 3. No camera, no face, just narration over visuals. Finance, history, self-improvement. These niches are full of them. The wrong way is dumping AI text into text-to-speech and calling it a video. The algorithm knows, viewers know. The right way uses AI at each stage: research, scripting, voiceover, editing cues, while you make the judgment calls. Done right, CPM in personal finance runs $15 to $40 per 1,000 views. One channel started from scratch in January, hit 20,000 subscribers by month 6, and was generating $2,000 a month in ad revenue alone. The automation makes volume possible. Volume is what makes YouTube pay. Hack 4. Local businesses need leads. They pay for them monthly, reliably. AI tools can scrape local business listings, identify gaps in their online presence, and generate a custom outreach email showing exactly what they're missing. You offer a simple fix: landing page, Google Business Profile, lead capture setup, on a monthly retainer. Retainers run $300 to $800 per client. One person in the home services space, plumbers, electricians, HVAC, had 9 clients on retainer within 4 months, over $5,000 a month recurring. The AI handles prospecting and first draft outreach, high margins because your main cost is time, and AI is compressing that dramatically. Hack 5. This is the one most people miss. Serious investors spend hours each week reading earnings transcripts, analyst reports, market news. Massive time sink. Here's the fix. You build a personalized morning briefing. Tell the system which stocks and sectors you care about. Every morning it pulls relevant news, screens for unusual options activity, and delivers a clean 5-minute read to your inbox before you wake up. Tools like Perplexity combined with a simple Make or Zapier automation can build this for free. One investor cut research time from 6 hours a week to under 40 minutes. He credits 2 trades, each over 20% returns, directly to signals the briefing surfaced that he would have otherwise missed. This isn't just a time hack, it's a compounding edge. So what do all 5 have in common? They use AI to close the gap between knowing something and acting on it, at scale. content arbitrage, print on demand, faceless YouTube, local lead gender, investment research. In every case, someone asked, what part of this can AI handle? Then followed through consistently. That question is what separates results from experiments. Here's your action step. Pick one. Just one. Spend 30 minutes this week figuring out step one, not the whole system. What's the niche? What's the tool? What's the first output? The people winning with AI in 2025 didn't launch perfect systems. They launched small experiments and iterated fast. I've been building one of these workflows from scratch and documenting every step. Real numbers, real mistakes, full breakdown. That video is coming soon. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you're already running one of these, or you've hit a wall trying, drop it in the comments. I read everyone. See you in the next one.